Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. We got a great episode today. We're going to Vietnamese Sub and Grill, and we're going to get one of those famous Vietnamese subs. And then we're going to have Appies with Chappy by the lake. So check it out. All right, let's check out what we got. Oh yeah, they use the nice French baguettes. And we got cilantro, carrots, and some nice beef. I can tell it's very fresh.
Appies with Chappy by the lake. Thank you very much. Get the hell away from me, Mookie, you little hound dog.
Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. Today for appetizers, I'm doing crescent rolls with Emmental cheese and hard salami inside. See here how I make them.
All right.
All right, so we got our Appies, and now every Appy with Chappy by the lake, we need a beverage. Now it's quite early in the day. This is actually my breakfast, but we're still going to do an alcoholic beverage. I got some freshly brewed espresso, and we're just going to spike it. So I have a rum and brandy blend and some Grand Marnier. Now a Monte Cristo is coffee, Grand Marnier, brandy, and Cointreau. And I'll show you in a minute where I had the world's best Monte Cristo. So I'm just gonna spike my coffee here. So I'm just gonna do a splash. So just a splash of rum brandy mix and a little bit of Grand Marnier. So a while back I did an episode where I went to the Diplomat steakhouse and had a Monte Cristo, and there again it was Grand Marnier, brandy, and Cointreau. So it had 2 orange liqueurs in it, and I just came to the realization that orange goes really well in coffee, really well. So that's Appies with Chappy by the lake. I got my spiked coffee and my crescent roll. So coming up, I'm going to actually show you that Monte Cristo coffee that I was speaking so highly of. So This is at the Diplomat Steakhouse in Regina, Saskatchewan. So check it out.
We don't melt too much of the sugar there, just going to crystallize it a bit. Some brandy.
Yeah, it is.
I'm just competing. Who's got the bigger flame?
I think I won this one. Look at his dinky little flame.
Oh, yeah. I'm doing two. Also. Sorry, Jackson wins that.
Oh, God. There'll be more.
Showmanship or just pure fire, right?
A little bit of Cointreau.
What are you making?
We're going to do a Monte Cristo coffee.
That's beautiful.
And he's going through Grand Marnier.
There you are, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, that is a braided copper Monte Cristo.
Please do be careful.
I will.
Watch your lips. Enjoy.
Thank you very much.
Perfect.
Oh yeah, I think you guys should do a competition with those at the ends of the table.
Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy. We got a new episode every Friday, so make sure you hit that notification bell. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.